The Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, ORPP, has moved to clarify reports alleging the dissolution of Kalonzo Musyoka's Wiper Patriotic Party. This follows the widespread sharing of a letter purportedly acknowledging such as a move, sparking confusion over the party's legal status. In a statement on Thursday, January 15th, the ORPP dismissed the letter as fake and cautioned the public against relying on unverified documents and communication. It is stressed that any official position regarding the registration, suspension, or dissolution of a political party can only be confirmed through its official channels. Be advised of misleading information in the letters threatened. All are guided to seek accurate information through ORPP Kenya official communication channels and or at ORPP offices. The ORPP added that even when official information is obtained, it must be handled with responsibility and within the confines of this law. The official information obtained should be used responsibly, including circulation in line with the relevant legal provision and ORPP access to information procedures, the statement added. Thank you for watching Siete Media. Please subscribe, share, comment for more news.